Berry, the bird's big nest. In a cozy tree, there lived a bird named Berry. Berry was getting ready to have chicks, so she wanted a comfy nest for them. But making a nest was hard for Berry. She found twigs too big and leaves too small. Berry hopped around, trying to build a nest with her tiny beak. It was a bit tricky. Her bird friends chirped, "Let us help, Berry." Together, they gathered twigs and leaves. Berry's nest started to grow, warm and snug. Soon, Berry had the perfect nest for her chicks. She chirped happily, "Thank you, friends." The little chicks hatched, feeling safe in their cozy nest. Berry smiled, happy to have helpful friends. And in their tree, Berry and her chicks lived happily ever after.